Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Backpacktrader training room for Wednesday, November 13th, 2024. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It's not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right. No crude oil inventory session this morning, and that is tomorrow at 11. Crude this morning, that trade, 9 seconds, probably avoidable. So I will treat it that way. Then we pick up the short trade that goes for both targets, 23 and 35, 58 ticks, one and done. Unleaded picks up a target one on its first trade. This green trade sets up 9:10:45. I'm sorry, 9:10:39. First bar is 9:10:45, so 6 seconds, and it's already halfway to money management. So that one was a no trade. Too fast to execute. So we pick up money management on this one. Target one traders got done on this one. That one tick break even on the trailer plus a target one. So 43 ticks for target one traders, 2 ticks for target two traders. Then we have a second money management trade here. That'll be your power quitting trade. So it goes not quite to target two, so it's only going to be another partial. Stops out 521 from the entry at 538. 17 ticks times 2 positions, 34 plus the 2 from the prior trade, 36 ticks, 2 and done on unleaded. So we'll pick up micro NQ. So we'll wait 4 minutes after market open. We have a get in sync short set up on the micro Russell. Got a little bit of a wick, so target one will be a true money management level. Not going to be big enough. Well, actually, yeah, target two is going to be big enough with that wick. So we'll use target 2 and 3. Market is open. Wow. Lots of beta coming in there on the YM. I have a feeling I am going to get behind. Data is going to get behind here, I expect. Pound Aussie got off of 2 trades this morning. First trade was a short. I'm assuming that triggered in. So then we got a stop and reverse for 15 tick loss on the stop and reverse times 5 positions or 75 ticks. So then we pick up 14 twice. There's an actionable trade on the short side. That's going to be a very big trade. Definitely going to be a target 2. YM still bouncing around. And so is the Micro Russell. Micro NQ is not being too bad, it doesn't look like. It's fairly active. We have a valid short trade there. Unless we get a crossover here. So that Micro NQ trade is still valid. We did not get a crossover to the long side. There's a new short, still too active to now the Micro NQ gets active. Micro or the soybeans chart is also extremely active. The way this is moving around, there really just nothing to get it that I would want to get into. Reversing one way and then the other. I will take that one adjusted. And there he just hit the entry. Soybeans looks like it got short. And Micro Russell got long. Finally settling down a little bit. Lots of reversals in here. And Micro Russell looks like it's going to reverse to short, may reverse to short. That is a stop and reverse. It triggered unadjusted, but with an adjustment now it just triggers long, triggers short. And just wild price action this morning. I think I'm going to stay out of it. I would stay out of this. looks like technically this was our first trade on the micro rust, or on soybeans rather. Add-on trade is the original. Actually, looks like the original trade actually we'd get in sync before that add-on came about. So that's our original. Whoops. That's our original trade right there. And so we get target 1 and trailer is just 1 tick. That's 3 ticks given positions. Wow. Price action just really going nuts this morning. Land price action still extremely active, but beginning to get some range to it. Just back and forth. That's going back and forth almost 70 points, about 70 points. 60 points anyway. Way too active to try to do anything with. All 3 market indices. Soybeans would have gotten one. It would have been one and done. Getting a target 1 and coming out on the trailer. Now the question is, yeah, that stops out on the trailer at just 1 minute and 25 seconds after start time. It looks like there definitely should have been plenty of chances to get into the trade. Now, whether or not we gotten in without major slippage would be another question. Even crude's extremely active. I don't know what's going on this morning. Anyway, the pound Aussie trade, the long trade, got 14 pips times 2 positions at target 2. Money management was between target 1 and 2, so target 2 was our first actual target. 21 at target 3 and 29. Was it 29 or 27? 27. Yeah, 27 at target 4. So 28 at target 2, 21 at target 3, 27 at target 4 is 76. Putting us 1 tick positive. Trailer goes to target 2, which was 21 ticks. So we get 22 ticks net on the 2 trades. Still too active to get involved in right now. Too much activity to get involved in at this point. Possible one and done on the soybeans, but it's still pretty active for a normally pretty slow chart. Crude getting it done before 9:30 with the one and done. Market has just gone nuts since market open at 9:30. Futures have just going crazy. All right, looks like market might be settling down now. Nope, there it goes again. I would not get involved in this. You're giving me an indication that things are starting to settle down there. But all three of our market index charts is whipping back and forth. Printing bars every few seconds. Micro Russell with a little bit of a move. Now we've got to see if it settles into to something here. YM, now there's the move. It's still back and forth. Micro NQ still the same. There's no reason to get involved in that. All right, we're at 25 minutes of this, so I am going to call it a wrap this morning. So no use in trying to get involved in this. So we will see. Good morning. Please do say hello in the chat. Extreme activity, not a lot of movement in the prices, but extreme activity. Way too much activity to try to get involved in something. Way too much volatility here. And it's been this way since market open at 9:30. So I am going to call a wrap this morning. And we'll come back and do it again tomorrow. Crude oil inventory report is tomorrow morning at 11 rather than today at 10:30. Soybeans even getting being active. Nothing to do with it that we really can deal with today. So everybody have a good one, and we will try it again tomorrow.